Crypto Kingdom VIP, let's talk about extensions. Let's talk about Fibonacci extensions on Bitcoin. 2-minute video. Now, we're going to select underneath the pitchfork. We're going to go down to trend-based fib extensions. We want to cover, guys, we want to cover this entirety of this move. We want to essentially extend that down. This is the mechanism by which I'm going to show you how to precisely measure that were we to recreate this move to the downside. Now, underneath the pitchfork, guys, left-hand side of TradingView, select trend-based fib extensions, easy. Now, we want to start at the beginning of the move, okay? If you want the projections down, you start dragging down. If you want the projections up, you start dragging up. It's a great tool for estimates, guys, for recreations of moves, okay? Kind of measured moves, etc. So as we look at this, we're going to click. We're gonna click one time, then we're gonna click again right here. That just gave us the entirety of this move right here. Again, if we want the projections down, we're going to start and we're going to drag down. Thereafter, we're going to place the cursor right at essentially the point at which we're going to expect that move to occur. Okay, so we would go in, and we may be able to go in. Let's let me zoom in a little bit here. We would go in right to here. We could go into this essentially where you would want to recreate the move from. We would want to recreate it from right in this point, right? So let's do that. Let's erase the other work. I've been working on some different projections for some different issues, but that right there, I just snapped it to grid, guys. I held down the control button that snapped it to right here. Now, what do we have? Just so you understand in terms of your projections. You have the entirety of this move, which you have defined by the Fibonacci. Again, guys, the Fibonacci, the trend-based extension. I'm going to show you how you know that that this is the recreation here on this chart. You started here. You have that's your first click down to the entirety of this move. Then you have brought over the next click right into where you want that move to initiate, essentially, for purposes of your estimation, okay? Because a lot of times you'll say, well, I want to recreate this move to the downside from this point right here. So this 100% right here, guys, that's going to be exactly the recreation of that move. I hope you guys understand that. These would be the different percentages, and this 100%, that would be the equivalent move. Guys, that would be at 12,350 cents. Enjoy your night. This is London.